Hello, kite flyers. Today we are joining Kara in her Kite Kingdom. Let's catch the k sound together. Ready to fly kites? Say kite, k, kite. Kara is keen on kites, k, as in Kara. She is going to show us how to fly kites high in the sky. Join Kara. Say Kara, k, Kara. First, Kara flies her kangaroo kite, k, as in kangaroo. Watch it jump in the wind. Fly with the kangaroo kite. Say kangaroo, k, kangaroo. Next, she spots a koala kite in the sky, k, as in koala. It's cuddly and cute, just like a real koala. Climb trees with the koala kite. Say koala, k, koala. Kara then joins kids in the Kite Contest, as in kite. Who can fly their kite the highest? Compare with Kara. Say kite. Look, kingfisher kites, as in kingfisher. They zoom fast like the birds hunting for fish. Zoom with the kingfisher kites. Say kingfisher, kingfisher.
Thank you for joining us at Kara's Kite Kingdom. K has taught us about kangaroos, koalas, and kingfishers. Remember, K is for kind, keen, and kite. And now, a special call to action for our little adventurers. Why not make your own kite or draw your favorite one? Share your kite creations with someone you love. Don't forget to subscribe to Readwise Right for more kite flying adventures and educational fun. Together, let's keep soaring to new heights. Goodbye, kite kings and queens.